how to add end screen on YouTube video, how to create a video outro. Today I'll show you exactly how to create an outro and how to add end screen on your videos so it will look professional and nice. Hi, my name is Ola from Income Ola, and today I'm showing you how to create and add end screen on your videos. So let's start by diving into my laptop. Create an account with Canva free. You can grab a link in the description of this video, log in, then click on create a design and type in the search box YouTube. Then scroll down and find YouTube outro. If you don't see it, continue typing. Click on that and then you'll be prompted to your canvas. Now on the left side you'll see many templates you can use. Some of them are free, some of them are not, but we're going to make it from scratch today. So first let's take care of our background. Scroll down and choose background on the left and find something nice that you like that you can use for free. You also can use videos as a background and you also can use photos. So I uploaded something nice. If you don't find anything you like, you can download from free websites like Pexels and Pixabay, then upload to here. So let's go to my uploads and I'll show you. I have a nice video I uploaded here on the clouds. I think I downloaded from Pexels, I'm not sure. This is just skies. And it's too long for me. Let me cut it to like 3 seconds. Click done. Now let's put myself in the middle. So go to elements and let's find our frame, circle frame. Click on that. Make sure it's in the sun, a little bit upper than center, and reduce the size of it a little bit. Make sure it's centered. Now click on images and let's choose photo of me. If you don't know how to upload your photo in Canva, you just click on upload media, then click on device, then choose from your computer what you want to upload and click on open. So I already uploaded many pictures of myself, so this is what I'm gonna use. Let's find one of them. Okay, this one looks good. Just grab, drag and drop it inside our frame. Now let's go back to elements and click on shapes, circle shape, and let's color. What color would I like to use? Let's say purple, and let's position it on background and resize it. And just a little tip here, if you want it more resizable like this, you just click on the arrows on your keyboard and it will move it by one frame, 1 pixel every time. Now I want to add some sparkles. So I'll go to elements and I type sparkles. And I choose the sparkles I like. Those are pretty good. Then position them, I'll make them smaller. Then duplicate them on this icon and let's move those here. You can rotate them so they'll look a little bit different. Then I want to add some more sparkle on myself, so I'll just type sparkle, one sparkle here, this one. But it's way too big. Let's make it smaller and drag it to my little frame. Let's duplicate it and make another one here. Now let's add some text to this. Click on text, click on add heading. Let's make it capital, all capitals, and let's put some effects to it. So splice, this is my favorite effect. Also I want to change the font to something more, maybe something like this. Just choose your font. This is pretty nice. Let me just grab it and drag it down and make sure it's centered. And now let's animate the whole thing. So click on animate and then choose if you want it to be block or fade, pen, Now we want to create the second page, and you can create second page by clicking add page, or you can duplicate this page by clicking on this icon, then go to the second page and now edit the second page. So now I want to remove myself, click on bin and click on delete grid. Let's delete the whole thing. So now I'm gonna type here like and subscribe. Let's make it a little bit bigger, and now go to elements. Let's find some rectangles to use. Let's choose this square. I want to make it white, just nicer. I think it's just nicer when it's white, but it basically will be covered by your videos. And now let's duplicate these two and make it smaller. Let's get rid of this effect. You can change the color too by clicking here, purple. And I want to make another title, and this time it's gonna be here. It's gonna be smaller. Now this is gonna pen too. Let's make sure it's penning. Looking good. Great. Now we want to make sure this is the whole thing not longer than 20 seconds, but don't make it too short. So the first one is 3 seconds, but the second one I want to make it like 10 seconds or something. You want to give them enough time to click on the videos, right? So let me just click on that and then on the scissors, and let's make it 10 seconds long. Click on done. And the only thing left is to add some music to that. So to add some music to that, unfortunately, you cannot use free plan of Canva. If you go to audio, and you'll see all of them are pro, and even if you click on free, you're basically choosing the copyright free music, but it's still pro versions. You can't use it for free, and there's difference between copyright free or you can use it for free. There's difference. You can download free songs, free music from YouTube audio library. So click on your icon, go to YouTube Studio, then scroll down on the left and find audio library. Click on that, and then you can check what song you want to use. And if you hover over with your mouse here, you will see that you're free to use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. You can use filter here. Then when you choose a song, click on download and it will be downloaded to your computer. Then go to uploads, click on upload media and click on device. Choose a song and click on open. So I already uploaded the song that I want to use. So when you're going to upload, you just choose here audio, and you will see your songs that you uploaded here, and just drag and drop it into your project. And here you can choose what part of the audio you want to use in your outro. If you drag it with the mouse, you can choose what part of the audio you want to use in your project. When you finish, click on download here. Make sure it's MP4 and make sure all pages included, and click on download. So as you probably know already, to upload a video, you just click on this plus, then you choose upload video. Then you select files or click on this icon. Then you choose a video you want to upload. Then you fill all the details here. Upload your thumbnail. Make sure you add your video to the playlists, and make sure you include tags. So when you see here finish processing, you can move to the next step. Click on next, and here you will see add and end screen. You click on add, and then you just move this cursor until you see your end screen appears. And then you have to make sure your videos, 2 boxes, will be on the top of those rectangles. So first, let's see what you want to put inside. You can choose 2 videos. You can choose 1 video, 1 playlist. It depends on you. You can do whatever you want with your rectangles. You can click on that. You can remove them, video element. You can add element here and choose each element where it points. And then you can stretch them, make them longer, shorter, depends when your end screen starts. Just move the cursor and see. This is a good point to start, so I just make them shorter. Let me check. Maybe a little bit longer. Here. Make the second one the same length. And now you can check how it looks. Just play. And to choose which element show what video, you click on the element and then you can let YouTube choose something for you, which I'm not recommending. Or you can choose most recent upload, or you can choose video, maybe this one. So then click on save. Comment down below and let me know if you like the video, if you want more videos like that, and what outro you created and put it on your videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, creator.